Hello, today we will learn the most commonly used certain letter combinations in German in most easiest way. For better understanding, pause the video and repeat after me. Our today's letter combination is CH. It is a bit difficult because there are different ways to pronounce CH and it's depend upon the which letter is before CH. Today we will learn the two CH combination. First one is A, O, U combined with CH and second one is A, E, A, O, U combined with CH. At first, A, O, U combined with CH, this is pronounced as K. K. Zum Beispiel machen, machen, gucken, gucken, hock, hock, das Buch, book. The other way, consonant order consonant A, E, A, O, U combined with CH, then you need to pronounce it as ch, ch. Zum Beispiel ich, ich, rechnen, rechnen, echt, echt, die Bücher, Bücher.